To begin, lift the glass in the upright position. The pistons are located behind each of the cube glass hardware clamps. One side of the piston is connected to the case strut, while the other is connected to the glass clamp. We recommend removing the end connected to the cube hardware first, and then the end connected to the strut. With a flat end screwdriver, carefully slide the black metal band on the ball joint of the piston forward. This band locks the piston into the cube hardware, and sliding it forward will allow for it to be released. After the band is slid forward, carefully slide a flat screwdriver between the piston and the glass hardware. Apply pressure toward the piston to release it from the receiving end of the ball joint. Repeat the same steps with the end of the piston attached to the case strut. Before installing a new piston, slide the black metal band forward or away from the piston on both ends. Do not completely remove the bands. Begin the replacement installation by attaching the end of the piston to the case strut. Place the ball joint of the piston over the receiving end of the strut and apply pressure until you hear it click into place. Slide the band back into its original position with the flathead screwdriver. Repeat the same process with the piston on the cube hardware. Slide the band back into place and carefully lower the glass. We recommend opening and closing the glass a few times to ensure that the piston is installed properly to avoid any safety issues. If you should have any questions about replacing pistons on your Hillphoenix Specialty SMD service case, reach out to our team by contacting us at hillphoenix.com. Check out more tips and videos on Hillphoenix display cases on our YouTube channel, Hillphoenix Solutions and Learning Center.